This is... I want to say I know what that's for, but I don't.
This is my favorite part, right here.
Alright, YouTubes. We're going to try this way now. Whole scenery's change is my other camera died in the middle of going through the box and I was unaware. So hopefully with the wind and everything else, the GoPro could keep up with the sound. That's mine. Put it there. Okay. Let's dig in. I think these are separators for a bag, but I don't know. And I think it's a stand, like a business card or a flyer stand, but acrylic always sells. It cracks easy, so it takes a lot with shipping, but acrylic definitely always sells. If you don't believe me, just go to Home Depot, or I'm sorry, Office Depot website and check it out. Another 13.3 inch keyboard cover. Another book. Waterproof cell phone case. Charger. Doesn't tell me what it's for, but I'll look up the model number. It'll probably give me a hint into what it is. Oh, finally. This is something Manny would carry on him. Yeah. See, this, I won't bother with that. I think a lot of stuff what I end up keeping sometimes is also stuff that interests me. More of these. I wish I knew what it was and why they're just sealed closed boxes. Look at that, mini display port to HDMI VGA. Oh, finally, one of these. Another power adapter. I don't know. It's actually a really nice mouse pad. Oh. Now this is the stuff that I was curious about when I was loading it up. So it looks like some sort of door lock, right? But I don't even see a model number on it. So I have a couple friends in the industry, they might be able to give me an idea. So some of this I'm going to hang on to, and again, I don't want to put that much time into it, because, you know, yes, it might make me a couple bucks, but if I don't even know what it goes to. So it's electrical, but I don't know. Oh, light switch, haha, perfect. And one of these, and you know what? This probably went to that other part. I've seen these before. This goes on the wall, the other part clamps in here, and it's part of a TV mount. Shoelaces. You can always do shoelaces. Wallet goes onto a phone. I actually use these on the side of my computer to put pens in. So it's some sort of mount. Obviously, there's a flange, goes on here, and then this screws onto something. Sort of hat. Obviously, support holder or something. It's not even in there. Garbage. Blue pole. Candle? Can't tell. Yeah, I think it's broken. Looks like something went there and held a candle. Some sort of pads. I really wish I knew what these do. There's so many of them. Strawberry. Another one of these. You know, there's a couple. Let's see if we can figure out what they go to at some point. One of these. It says on, off. Reset. I don't know, maybe gas line? Men's Pure Pack. Daily pack providing core nutrients. Dietary supplements. Expires 2020. Be all that you can be. Reserved seating signs. It's still ruined again. These bumper stickers are going to work for me. It's some sort of attachment, clip, sort of mount piece. One of these. This is I want to say I know what that's for, but I don't. You tell me. Oh, transmission piece. Here we go. Phone wire. Another towel type hook. Double-sided test strip. I can't think of what it's to. It slips through, hooks around, you can hold on to it. Cleaning cloth. Another charger. Looks like a battle Canon. Perfect. That's awesome. Take a Canon charger. Handmade stickers. Actually, I'm probably going to give those to the wife. Put them on her products when she ships them out. Replacement. Medium, small. Tips for something. Just a tip. One of these. I think it's a sprayer, so it hooks onto your hose. This goes up and then sprays a mist. Awesome for the summer, chilling by the pool. We've got some nozzles made for caulk guns. Another belt. Easter I can do. Another shark sign. Mouse pad. Oh, I'm gonna need so many bins. Amex mop and broom holder. Huh. That might actually be nice in my garage. Let's see if we can find the other part of that. Wonder Woman mask. These I actually hang on to. Here, I'll show you them. We do a pretty elaborate skeleton display. Actually, it's nothing elaborate right now. Barely see it, but they're supposed to be dancing. It did not go as planned. We were trying to put together real quick. Alright. But we decorate them. Handmade. Washable organic nursing pads with carry bag. There you go. Christmas cards. Christmas. Empty box. Christmas. My Little Pony. Movie. Okay. Another Ultra Sports. Still don't know what it is, but Baby Shark. What's up, Oscar? Why are these all bent? That one's not in bad shape. Actually, I'll keep that one. 70 years. See, it's all broken. Yeah, I guess you don't fill with anything. You can fill with this, but they won't stay open. I really don't know what you'd use them for. Maybe carry water bottles? I don't know. Don't think about those. You know, this may be one of those things you take it in cold water, hold it on your head, throw it in a health bin. I don't know what these are. so many little things in here. Oh. They open. I mean, do you think it's something simple like a pill container? Let me see if they're like magnetic or something. No. It almost like it looks like a battery, doesn't it? I don't know what you put in it to make it a battery, or if that's even what it is. Some of these I honestly just want to know what the heck it is. Fashion jewelry. Javalia Cafe Tassimo. Is there expiration dates on these things? You know what? I'll hang on to it and look it up. Alright. Digital camera charger. Plugs right into the wall. Charges battery. I'll hang on to that. Oh! There we go. I'll hang on to that for Jordan. So I'm thinking the ones we've already seen is either mouth guard or anti-sneezing. A mouth guard that somebody's already has their teeth into. Garbage. If you know me, you know I love VHS tapes. That's mine. 25-year anniversary. I'm gonna say it's some sort of Halloween. Oh, here we go. Halloween 30 count Halloween creepy crawler yard party supplies. Apple pencil cover purple. Huh? Well, would you look at it? Just look at that. Just look at it. I'm assuming some sort of pad. Looks like a fish. But it's firm and yeah. Yeah. Book. Monster stickers, baby shark. Toyota wheel cap cover. I think I have some Tesla ones of these as well. HDMI switch. Versa band for the Fitbit book. Now this is interesting. It's flexible. Looks like a mold of some kind. So here it shows a picture of a phone, and then in here you probably can't see it, but it looks like a picture of headphones. So maybe the power port goes in here and you can just plug them in. Interesting. Apple Watch, clear pink, 42 millimeter. Hey, they're in there. They're in there. Paper straws. Unopened poster of... Come on. Alright. King of Wonder poster. Alright. Timeout. Okay. Spaghetti measuring tool. Perfect. Charger. I think it's like a hair brush, right? For animals. I don't even know. Silicone ears. Just says the phone. These are for Amazon Echoes. The Echo Dot sits in here. Use your power cord, plug it in. Yeah. Christmas card. See? Another wood leg. Wonder if we'll have all four. Some more of the molds. I wonder if these work. They look clean. We'll have to test them out. These are to make your own popsicles. Fill it with juice or whatever you want. Put it in here, pop it in the freezer. Done. This one says, what is it for? Oh yeah, same thing. Wrong box. Bow tie. Peaceful night's sleep. Anti-snoring chin strap. Oh, there's a lot going on in this box. I don't know why it's all designed like that. It's all in, I don't know what languages. I'm thinking Chinese, but Car Foam King. I'll have to look that up because I don't know what this piece is. Obviously that's Teflon tape. You got that. Smoking armadillos. Another one of these. Maybe I'll hang on to one. See if we can see what it's for. Shopkin stickers. More acrylic. It's not broken. Has the tape so you can put it on the wall. That will sell. Broken something or other. We'll see if the piece is in here. Another magic wand. Phone watch. More lightning to 3.5 splitters. Echo Spot screen protector. I don't know. Oh, is this a whistle? A siren whistle keychain, yeah. Emergency whistle. More face scrubbing. Instant tea. Got an expiration date, 2020. Boom. Boom. More of those static-free gloves. These. So many of these. Well, let's lot them up, selling for 30. Ew. Socks. Glove cards. Another one of these. You know what? I might hang on to these because they're acrylic. And there's a couple of them. Finally. I bet you just piece some parts to a weird rack. Might not be weird, but I'll look what those are up later. I don't know. Hold on, let me get the skizzers. That is a wrapped pencil if I ever saw one. I'm trying to cut it without ruining it here. That's a lot. Oh, hold on. Another one of these. Oh, these are perfect. Award medals I can hand out to winners. A winner, chicken dinner. Nylon button covers for indoor and outdoor use. Very nice of them. This is HDMI to RCA adapter converter. Sweet. Cable to something. You got a model number? No model number. What is it though? 5 volt. I'll hang on to it. Silicone bow nut candy making. Another charger piece. Lightning to 3.5? I didn't even know they made that as a cord. I believe this is a toner cartridge. We'll hang on to that one. Another bag. I will hang on to those, like I said. They always benefit me. No more naked cake. Finally, someone gets it. think it's some paper, straws, and some other stuff. And ink we're tossing. One's empty. Another coaster. I'll put them together. I'll make my bundles yet. Alright, so I've got scan, power button, and then I've got optical, aux, and charge. Curious what that does. One of these. And bunny tail? Or nose? Black bike bicycle quick release seat post clamp. Another one. Cool. These things, the balls. Balls you fill in water. Water balls. This again. Butterfly clamps. A Codex label tape. Oh, that'll sell. A large bottle. Foam cannon. Tool daily. Another mini display port to HDMI, VGA, and DVI. More of these. Maybe I'll hang on to one of them. So we can figure out what they go to. Oh! This I'm keeping. I have one already, but look at that. So when you're in the mood to really comb your beard. Another whistle. A reading guide strip. Interesting. Never seen one. More earpieces. Ooh, I just dropped that. A plumbing fitting, 1-inch brass, shark bite. That will sell. Another one. I may put some beard sets together. See? Nope. Cable, baby shark, just for Oscar. Congrats, grad 2019. Oh, I hate throwing out stickers. But oh well. LED lighting, easy plug and play installation. The last light bulb you'll need. And the light bulb is not in. Antenna, usually for a router, something like that. My clips. Clippity clip clips. Actually, I'm going to hang on to this. This is part of a wooden doll that connects together to help with drawing. My son loves drawing, so if I can find the whole set. 3.5 millimeter to lightning cable adapters. Silicone rings. Done very well with silicone rings. Oh, watch brands. Watch bands. Bands of watches. Oh. A cat pen. Isn't that nifty? Silver, platinum, dangle earrings. Doubt they're real silver, let's be honest, but another watch band. Phone case. Did I keep the other side of this box? Or did I talk it? It's a fashion watch band. Let's see if we find the pieces. And it looks used. Hose clamp. Some of these parts aren't bad to have around the house, that's for sure. Oh, it's cracked. I would have brought $1 million. Look at that, top of the line game. Twine, I love twine. This, I think, does that. Stocking stuffer. USB to micro USB. There's another charging wireless charger, I believe. Rennet tablets for making cheese, custard, and ice cream. A paintbrush. And one of these I don't know what this does, but it looks dangerous. So we'll keep it. American Adventure. Sounds like metal pole. Watch band. Birthday cone of some kind. Ah, this I'll hang on to. You can never... Actually, this I might use for Manny. I've been looking for these so I can just wheel him around, literally. Pop socket type dealie. Wheat breakfast. I don't even know. It's a picture of a swan and it says wheat breakfast on it. Glass screen protector. A wall sticker. Looks a little bent up, but we'll check it out. Apple pen, missing parts. Clear perforated shrink bands. I don't know what that is, but we'll look it up. Computer accessory parts are usually easy to find. So voltage, 0.35 amps, come on. Come on. Graduation stickers with no years. Those will sell. Is this another piece? Oh, it's broken. Oh, that's surprising. Just a piece to an eyeglass. They're so expensive they couldn't send the entire eyeglasses with them. And last but not least, nose clip for swimming. Oh, and this, a PM 2.5. Another one. I think I'm up to 5 or 6 now. Oh, we are tangled. It's just not ending. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's metal. Or actually, I wonder. Yeah, they're magnets. This part's Velcro. Is this for a door? It is for a door. So this would go over like a single door opening. And it just looks pretty. And then the magnets connect together in the middle. And so you could have an easy door to go in and out without needing a screen door. I've never even seen one like that. Oh, this bag is going to be rough here. A shoe. We'll see if we can find 2 of them. Got a box here. Box here. Free oil changes for a year. Another component piece. Oh, it's a xenon light plug. Perfect. It's like a Bob Ross backdrop. That's awesome. And another one. This stuff. Oh man. Oh boy. See why it's taking so long? So this, I think this is part of a walking stick. Nordic walking, my friends, helps lose the weight. The only reason because of this attachment piece. Or a hiking stick. Possibly skiing, but it doesn't look like skiing to me. I'll actually see if I can use these or if they sell with just the end pieces. If I can. Hold on, let me get the skizzers. There we go. There's gonna be a lot of that just cutting. Like, I don't even know what that is. All right, hold on. Oh, it's a ball of it. But I don't want it. Are these the sticks? No, this is a tripod of sorts. Okay. There's an electrical cord there. I don't want to cut that. Not that I'm worried about getting electrocuted by an unplugged electrical cord, but some I can sell. Some sort of tripod mount of sorts. There we go. So some sort of clamp. It's like the footstool part. It's the problem with some of these pallets, you just never know how it's gonna go. AC adapter. This green stuff just got everything. Gosh. Sweet Sweat Thigh Trimmer. We'll have to look that one up, but finally I can clip things together. See if we can use that. Congrats! See, already starting a bundle. We got the graduation stickers, the congrats poster, the sock, someone's body stocking maybe. All right. Now we can finish. Bandana, watch band. See, here's the other inflatable I was talking about. 24-inch dolphin. Still have to go through some of this stuff afterwards. No idea. I think these are Band-Aids, empty box, AC adapter, mouse pad. Shorts collection. Like dowel pieces. Well, that's a whole set of those. No. Sweet mint tea leaves. Googly eyes. There's numbers on the back. We'll look it up. Look at the shoulder pads. What do you think? A pillow cover? That's dirty. Stickers, pet hair, that bin. Another adapter, USB-C to USB-C and 3.5. See, here's one. Almost together. I swear it's for the water balloons. I could be completely off, but... Oh! We're gonna make so much money. Another watch band. iPhone 5 case. One of these things. Door hinge, flange. Perfect. Oh, there we go. All sealed. Signed, sealed, delivered. It is a tactical, adjustable flashlight loop. I don't know if it goes on your belt or what, but do a little research on it. I'm hoping it'll sell for something. Into the box. Earplugs. Gloves. Watch band. Screws. Oh! Honestly, these are going to come in handy. I need this to hang a photo. That's perfect. Now this, see, so these snap out like that. Oh, it's like an easel or a cookbook. Trying to think, but nothing's happened. And this, I don't know why it's like suspension like that, where it hooks onto something. Kind of like want to hang on to it to see what it is. This might fit in that other thing I had found, the cell phone part. This I'm hanging on to for now. These I'm still hoping. Still no idea what that is. Or this, but this turns on. Just a small little who knows pile, right? Scalp dealy, right? But since it's open, no. And I think this is like a money belt. Or on your waist or under your clothes when you're traveling. Or running. Because I do all that running. Books. Organic. I think it's cotton coffee something or other. So I believe these, oh, this is it, not even open. Thou shall not bend. So these are cards. I've seen them as, you know, birthday cards, all that kind of thing, but I'm going to use I'll open it eventually just so I can take a photo of it and send it. I may look it up and see if I can find it on Amazon ahead of time so I don't even have to open it, but heat gun will get that sticker off. I can open it up nicely, close it back up. So, okay. Very good. And we are back. Hang on to that, see if we can find it. Oh, anti-snore chin strap, sealed. Another unopened poster. It's a Post Malone poster concert, Savage Tour 2018. Sweet. See the nursing pads. Baby Shark for Oscar. Armor Tech something. So it's a micro USB to USB. Oh, it's for a surveillance camera. Plug sits in the wall, camera sits inside, or like this, either or. Then to plug it in and charge it. Sweet. I may end up using that myself. We'll see. I kind of like the security camera features. Throw that over there. Another thank you card. Finally, a rubber. It's a really big wrist. Shelf. If I find 2 of those, I'll keep those myself also. I feel like it's all my Christmas shopping. Another bow tie. Mickey Mouse Club Animals book. Nope. Adapter. Another pad. If only I knew what the pads went to. Plumber's tape. And another one. Book. Wireless accessories. Screen protector for the Echo Spots. Apple Watch cover. Another bow tie. Flange of some kind. Black head. Horse strip. Felt picks for guitar, ukulele, or bass. Display port, DVI, another back brace, a nice empty bag. Oh, let's see what we got here. Star Wars Rebel Alliance MacBook Pro laptop cover. It's kind of snazzy. Another one of these. Threw one out already. Christmas card, watch strap. I think it's a mask of some kind. Happy birthday party favors. Rubber tips, just the tip. USB to Fitbit 1 charging cable. Here we go. Empty boxes, flameless candles, garbage. Excellent. A satchel. Happy birthday. Enzymatic hydrocortisone inflammation relief. Expiration, what do we got? 2020. Another brace. Echo Dots. Christmas card. Oh, music CD. Green Children. So that's not weird. I don't know what it is. Winter Wishes 2018. So reselling this obviously won't be as hot. But what I do is, because I love shopping the deals and the discounts and the after season specials, every year someone gets a Christmas gift from previous years. Just because I think it's hilarious. Echo Dot cover. I think it's Columbia again, but the banners. Snoring aid. Sika Care. Sika. Gel sheet. Mobile phone repair. Suction cups, usually with mobile phone repair, is actually for screen replacement. Once you get the glue melted off and you open it, suction cup, pull it off, replace it. That's the stuff I used to do. More gloves. This is actually for a pop socket holder. That goes in the vent. Pop socket slides in here. That's on the back of your phone. Garbage. Apple Watch cover. Alright. It's HDMI from, I think, mini DisplayPort or mini HDMI. Anti-snoring. Oh, there we go. Wine bottle opener with peeler. The home boxes I'm going to totally have to re-go through. Okay, now I just want to know what they are. Maybe I'll keep them since I have so many of them at this point. The envelope. Cable cord holder. Alright, here, this one's open. I'll show you guys. It's the cards. Venereal disease. Oh, Valentine's Day. I'm sorry. Happy Valentine's Day. My bad. With stickers. Snoring. I actually sold a lot of snoring stuff. This is a magnetic removal beauty tool. Maybe eyelashes. Another adapter. Lift sign. If you drive for Lyft, these are nice to have. Actually, I'll take a moment to say how much I love all my subscribers. Thank you so much to all my Suburban Bearded fans. Live long and beard. Toothbrush that's open. Is the Apple Pen in here? No, the one piece. Oh, it is. So it's not the pen. It is the pencil cover. I think this might be really thin pinstriping. I don't know how well it sells, so I've never sold it. An empty bag, instructions, a box, and there's a choker. It is. Can't tell if it's twisted or broken. I think these are battle blades as part of the sets. Playing cards. There you go. Smartwatch band, 38mm. Thank you. I don't know what those are, but we're gonna check them out at some point. Watch band. Amazon warehouse deals inspected. It's some sort of flange thing. Beads. Bubble wrap. Toothbrushes. Open. Empty. Party supply number 5. Felt. Something. Okay. Belted. We're moving on. There's some sort of broken costume jewelry. There. That's the fidget toy I was talking about. Yeah. Fidget. It's a little more professional than a fidget spinner. I think this might be a nightlight. Oh, HDMI, I think, maybe. Sealed ink cartridge. I'll have to look up what that's for. Some sort of battery. Socks. Ah, you thought I only had one more. Another waistband. Another waistband. Candy Smart 15-day program, part 2. Maybe an expiration 2018. Reptile light bulb, tropical UVB.
Yeah, so what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Thank you?
You're welcome.
What? No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say that? I mean,
Okay. I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange.
This is my favorite part, right here. This is my favorite part, right here. This is my favorite